When exploring Nassau, it's easy to get swept up in the energy of the beaches and resort strips, but hidden just past the city center is a far quieter world. Welcome back to Ardastra Gardens. As you walk these back pathways, you'll notice handcrafted stone canals built right alongside the trail. These historic channels were designed back in the late 1930s to direct fresh water throughout the 4-acre grounds, nourishing the lush tropical foliage year-round. The concrete and limestone walls create a cool, sunken walkway surrounded by native ferns and tropical trees. It creates a complete escape from the Bahamian heat. Tucked away around a quiet bend in the path sits one of the garden's most charming historical landmarks, the Wishing Well. Built during the early days of Ardastra's creation by horticulturist Hedley Edwards, features like this were designed to give the garden a storybook, secret garden atmosphere. Over the decades, countlessly many travelers have stopped here to toss in a coin and make a wish in paradise. One wish right now, standing in the middle of these hidden gardens, what would it be? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to read them. As we move further into the shaded foliage, you might catch a glimpse of something truly rare moving through the trees, a majestic white peacock. Unlike albino birds, white peacocks have a genetic condition called Leucism, which causes a loss of pigment in their feathers while keeping their eyes dark. At Ardastra, peacocks roam freely across the property, wandering the paths alongside visitors as if they own the place. Watching these beautiful creatures move so peacefully in their natural element is one of the most memorable parts of taking your time through this sanctuary. Opening up at the end of the shaded trail is the main aquatic pond, a tranquil green oasis surrounded by tall palm clusters and rustic stone walls. This freshwater pond is home to local freshwater turtles and ducks. On a bright afternoon, you'll usually find the turtles lining up along the warm stone banks to bask in the sun, while ducks glide effortlessly across the green water. Spot to stop, take a breath, and simply enjoy the slow, quiet rhythm of the island. Thank you for joining me on this extended walk through one of Nassau's true hidden gems. There is so much quiet magic tucked away in the Bahamas if you know where to look. 4K Nature Escape. Please give the video a like, subscribe for more tropical walks, and I'll see you in the next adventure.